Greetings, Zombie Nation, and thank you so much for tuning in and joining me for a very special unboxing video. I received this package in the mail all the way from Malaysia a few days ago, and I am very excited to crack into this and show you what's inside. The box certainly arrived in a little worse shape than I would have expected. I would have thought that they would have used a bit of a thicker crush-resistant cardboard, but yes, lo and behold, it is the new, I'm going to pronounce it as HiBy R6 digital audio player. The packaging itself is quite fantastic and looks pretty sleek. There's a lot of cool R6 and HiBy logo inscriptions throughout the box. If you flip the box over, you'll notice it has this cool adhesive sticker on it listing all of the specs and different things that this particular device is capable of handling for you. Let's quickly go through them. I was able to back the R6 through their Indiegogo campaign, and I selected the stainless steel model. They also offered a silver and black aluminum model, but honestly, anytime you can get something made out of stainless steel, I'm gonna go for it. Yes, there was a little bit of a price premium, but it's totally worth it because the stainless steel model weighs 275 grams, whereas the aluminum alloy only weighs 190. If weight is a matter of importance to you, then by all means go for the aluminum. I myself prefer a heavier feel when dealing with electronics, and considering the fact that the R6 is basically going to be my home-based rig, I wanted to go for the all-out brick. One of the biggest standout features of the R6 device is the fact that it uses not one, but two ESS Sabre 9028Q DAC chips to process the audio. The Q is basically like the mobile version of the Pro chips. Right off the bat, I'm already impressed with the quality of the packaging and the attention to detail. This awesome little foam cover, and then this lovely little bookmark ribbon to lift the device. And I can already feel its heft. It is glorious. It's got this really cool protective baggie, which has a very interesting, almost a rubberized plastic feel. Before we look at the R6 itself, let's delve into the depths of the box. Right here is that nifty little tool, which you put in the little pinhole in order to eject the micro SD storage slot. Nicely tucked away in another cool little packaging. HiBy definitely outdid themselves and threw in some fantastic cables. You'll notice there is a USB to USB-C with some lovely HiBy logos embossed on them. And the feel of the cable is this awesome, really cloth cable, plus the Velcro ties were a nice touch. And here is a 3.5 millimeter to coaxial audio cable. As part of the backing campaign, I received this really nice silicone protective case in a lovely gray color. Extra goodies are always welcome. And lastly, the instruction manuals and whatnot. Very cool. Anything that's printed in today's day and age is awesome. I consider that a plus, which is sad because you used to get like paper copies of everything back in the day. Next up is a lovely tempered glass screen protector. What's really cool is they mentioned in the campaign that a screen protector would come pre-applied to the screen and you would receive an extra one as a backup, which is awesome because my bane of existence is trying to apply screen protectors. And so it's really cool that it not only comes pre-applied, but you get a second one. Shockingly, the HiBy manual is quite informative. It gives these really cool layouts, as you can see. of all the different connectors and ports of the R6 itself, as well as what signifies a balanced versus unbalanced cable lead. Definitely worth checking out if you pick up one of these HiBy products. Finally, moving on to the R6 unit itself. Unboxing this brought back strong memories of getting my first iPod, which was the iPod dock connector. It had the 4 illuminated buttons above the click wheel. I don't know, something about all the cool packaging and everything just really reminded me of the iPod. But check this out. Oh my goodness. It is glorious. Look at that brushed stainless steel. Especially even the click buttons on the side. I love tactile buttons. That's something that tech products and society in general have really gotten away from, and I'm so happy that they are just rocking like your volume, your play, pause, your track skips, the power button, all tactile, all brushed stainless steel. Fantastic. Look, even the back of the unit itself is this lovely black gloss glass plate, which I was surprised to find out already has a screen protector applied as well. And you also get a spare screen protector for the back plate. Although it is not tempered glass, it is just a screen protector. Definitely looks and feels good in the hand. The ergonomics are quite wonderful. And I love the little screen protector sticker that's applied over the screen protector, indicating what ports are exactly what. And I love the little high-res music sticker on the lower left. My initial thought is that I am very, very impressed with the build quality, look, and feel of the R6 unit. Let's quickly weigh it to see how accurately it compares to the estimated 275 grams. And look, my scale is showing 272, so I'd say it's pretty spot on. Again, the aluminum version weighs 190 grams, so the choice is yours. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of the new HiBy R6 digital audio player. I am so excited to start using the R6 over the next couple weeks with a range of headphones and music to really test it out. I'll be uploading a review video of the R6 in the next couple weeks, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.